Hey folks, update here. Today is vapor barrier day on this home remodel. As you can see behind me, we got the visqueen going up. The ceiling is about almost done here. We got the walls going on. And so this is one of the bedrooms. So all the visqueen goes up in the ceiling, then the walls. Also with Trimco. I'll turn my camera around here so everybody gets on. So there's the Trimco around the corners. This is what you use to seal the vapor barrier to the basically frame the walls and throw the visqueen up, staple to the, well, in this case we have furring strips here, so we're stapling to the furring strips. Again, same thing in here as well. The bedroom, and then we cut the cans, put Trimco around the cans, and then for a nice tight seal around here. So looking pretty good. I've got Elasco here from Anchorage doing the vapor barrier. And this is the big wall that's going on here. And they're doing a great job with this one. Next we're going to work on in the garage space here. We're going to seal all those walls up. This is the dining and kitchen area. And so good progress. Next is going to become sheetrock. So we'll have actually before that we'll have an inspection. We'll have a vapor barrier inspection on Tuesday, most likely because Monday's a holiday. And then we'll stage the sheetrock in here, and then we'll start hanging sheetrock on Tuesday. So more to come.